look at the butterfly. It's so beautiful. Hello, kids. Today we want to coloring the butterfly with each other. Do you like butterflies? They are so beautiful. At first, I'm using light pink color for her face. The butterfly is smiling. So happy. Are you happy too? Oh, hello, butterfly. Let's coloring her cheeks. I want to coloring her body so colorful. Do you like it? Now let's coloring her wings. At first, I'm using green color. Do you like green color? I like it very much. We can see butterflies in the garden or on the flowers. They like flowers very much. That's so great, kids! You colored the butterfly very well. Thank you for watching me. See you in the next video.